So this video I'm going to be talking about how you can clear your knuckles naturally, and it works extremely fast. So if you're interested, let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trendalore. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. So in today's video I'm going to be talking about how you can clear your knuckles naturally. It is natural, it is pure, and then it works fast. Like, it works super fast. Have you ever wondered why most whitening night creams they use Irish potato? That's because Irish potato lightens the skin. Not lighting, guys, not lightening, whitening. Irish potato whitens the skin. That's because Irish potato, will I call it, destroys melanin production. Like, it kills and destroys melanin production. And we know that melanin is what produces the black in our skin. So Irish potato bleaches it out. Like, it weakens the effect of melanin production. So basically you're going to be needing just, let's say three. Let's use it three, yeah, because it's only three. There, you can use just one, but I'm going to talk about three. So what you need is one Irish potato. I'll put in the picture there. That's Irish potato, guys. And then the second one we're going to need is lemon. We all know lemon is a natural skin bleacher. It works very, very well. Guys, one thing about this organic product or using natural product is you need to be patient with it. Like, you need to be very, very patient with it. But for this, you start seeing results. Like, I think from the day one, you see improvement in what this mixture. I put the video down below, but it doesn't really have much views. I think I should still, leave the link below. So, but it works. When I tell people about it, they want cream, they want that, they want this. I'm like, okay, cream and all that. If you don't maintain it, and you don't know how to take precautions, or how you can rub your cream, how you can maintain your knuckles after you've treated it, it's going to go bad again. So why don't you try this natural remedy? So yeah, lemon. We're going to use one Irish potato, half a lemon. Yeah, and then the third one we're going to be using sugar. So all these help in lightening, and the sugar is going to be, it still lightens a bit, but it's going to act as a scrub to lighten your dark knuckles. So the procedures, this is how it's going to be. You grate, make sure you wash them first, and then grate your Irish potato. When you grate your Irish potato, put it in a plate, and then squeeze in your lemon and add sugar. Make it form a paste. The Irish potato is going to become watery as you go by, but still manage to use it the way you can use it. Add a lot of sugar in it, and then use it to scrub. Use it to keep on scrubbing your knuckles, like your finger. You focus on the points, like yeah, just use it, like scrub everywhere, and then you will see results. And then you're going to see results, like from the first use you start seeing results, and it's very good. So you can use this every day, like once a day for 1 week, and with that 1 week you see that it's very clear. But don't always forget to moisturize, when you're exfoliating and all that. Don't forget to moisturize. Another way you can do it, this is not organic, is by getting scrub. There are a lot of good scrub out there. I talked about Ashanti scrub, which is really great, or salt. You can get that spa salt, which is also nice. The reason why I love Ashanti scrub is because of the way it foams and all that. And you know, you can create your own scrub that foams. If you're not comfortable buying the Ashanti scrub, or you don't feel it's cool, or you want to make yours, you can actually make the one that foams as well. So let's use Ashanti scrub. Use the honey. The honey to me is the strongest. Like I said, I use the honey, and then I found out that the thing was tearing my skin. I think they use brown sugar for that. One thing about brown sugar, using brown sugar as scrub, is that brown sugar actually is strong, and then it's really strong. Trust me, I've tried it out using white sugar and using brown sugar. White sugar is milder on the skin. Brown sugar is really tough on the skin. So if you're those that have sensitive or soft skin, if you want to use it, blend. Like just blend it a bit, broom broom, you know, just to make it a little bit not sharp. Yeah, because it tends to be really sharp. Those that bake actually knows that it's really that way. I do bake sometimes, so yeah, so be careful with brown sugar. I tried brown sugar, and then it's, you know, it was really hard on my skin. So you can make your own. You can use brown sugar, white sugar, turmeric powder, you know, mix it up. It's a scrub. Don't be, when it comes to all this organic stuff, don't be scared. Try out everything, because it's all natural and all. Don't be scared. Okay, so when it comes to chemicals, you have to be like really careful about how you can, you know, you don't want to peel your skin, you don't want to have sunburns, you don't want to destroy your skin. But when it comes to organic, like, you know, playing with tomatoes, playing with banana for skincare, try it. They're all good. You eat them, so it's actually really nice. But know what you're allergic to. Actually, know what you're allergic to. So if you want to create your own, like if you want to mix scrub that is not organic, the Ashanti scrub is good. Go for it, and mix it with, I said, malic powder, salicylic, yeah, then alum powder. These are bleaching and, you know, bleaching ingredients you add, and then mix together. Add your glycolic acid to exfoliate, and then keep on using it on your knuckles. One key to clear your knuckles is exfoliation. Continue to exfoliate your skin or your knuckles. You see that gradually it gets cleared off. So, but for the Irish potato, guys, this guys, please, you guys should try it. Just try it, and then come back and comment below. You will thank me later. It works. I've used it. I've told people about it. It's not today. I've known about this a long time ago. The reason I'm posting this video today is because my things have still not come. I called the Weebly and the Weebly people, and they didn't pick. After finishing my credit, they didn't pick. So when it comes, I'm going to try. But for, you know, I just got to like let you guys in on some of the stuff I know as well. And you can see my skin is glowing. If you know, I use that glow oil I made. Actually, I did the organic on the part where you're not going to add synthetic oil, which is glutathione and amine white. You're not going to add those oils. This is pure organic, guys. I made the video and then I deleted it. I was like, there's no point putting glow oil and coming back and say organic glow oil. There's glow oil, there's glow oil. So I deleted the video, and now I'm regretting it because I'm actually loving my face. I'm actually loving what it's doing for me. What I do in the morning is I rub it and then I add my sunscreen on it. But this oil is really amazing, and guys, I can see my skin glowing. People have been like, what are you using? Why is your skin glowing like this? Some people are like, are you pregnant? I'm like, no. You're glowing too much. And I'm like, it's my product. It's something I made. It's oil I made. If you want to know, check my YouTube and all that. So it's really painful, really painful that I can't show you guys the video. Anyway, guys, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for your love, for your care, for your support. Like, I'm really grateful to you all. You guys are making me inspired and making me happy, and I don't know how to thank you. So thank you, thank you guys. I really do appreciate all you do for me. That's it for this video. Good night, guys. Have a lovely, lovely night rest. Bye.